everybody, welcome back to my channel. मैं हूँ आपकी टेक बहू जो लाती हूँ टिप्स एंड ट्रिक्स टू मेक लाइफ सिंपलर एंड ईजियर। अगर आपने मेरी इस प्लेलिस्ट के पहले दोनों वीडियोस देखे हैं, मैंने आपको बताया है कि हम कोविड वैक्सीन को बुक कैसे कर सकते हैं फ्रॉम द गवर्नमेंट ऑफ Ontario, the most easiest and most time efficient way to make sure you're getting the right vaccine at the right time, the right place, which is most convenient to you. और उसके बाद मैंने वीडियो बनाया था ये बताने के लिए अपने एक्सपीरियंस के बारे में कि वहाँ कैसे गए, किस टाइम पे पहुँचे, कैसे हुआ और क्या लगा। और ये वीडियो मैं अभी आपको बताने वाली हूँ अपने पोस्ट वैक्सीन सिम्टम्स को लेके, ताकि आप थोड़ा ज़्यादा प्रिपेयर्ड रहे, ज़्यादा कंफर्टेबल रहे। तो मैंने आपको बताया था कि मैंने पूरा फूड का अरेंजमेंट किया हुआ था, तो मैं काफ़ी रिलैक्स करने के मोड में होंगी नेक्स्ट 2 डेज़। और अभी जस्ट मैंने वैक्सीन लगवा के घर आई हूँ और मैं लंच स्टार्ट करने वाली हूँ। मैं उसी पॉइंट से स्टार्ट कर रही हूँ जिस पॉइंट पे मैंने प्रीवियस वीडियो एंड किया है। आई विल चेक बैक इन सम टाइम टू गिव यू द अपडेट्स ऑन माई हाउ आई एम फीलिंग एंड माई सिम्पटम्स। So guys, it's been 2 hours since the jab. I'm feeling slightly sleepy, however slept pretty well, and there's little palpitations, and I checked on my oximeter. My heart rate is a little up, so I'm probably just going to take a nap at this point of time. There is slight pain in the upper part of my arm and maybe a little on the side, but that's all I feel, and I feel just sleepy and a little tired. And I've not done anything since morning other than just walk to the vaccine clinic. So that's how I'm feeling, and I will check back in some time. Hello everybody, I'm back after 3 hours, but I did not sleep. Obviously when I went to lie down I was feeling sleepy, but then I all of a sudden did not feel like, and then what we did was we watched Family Man for the next 3 hours, binge watched it completely. And after that I was feeling some sort of heaviness in my back, in my neck. I've just applied some bolognese, just lied down for some time and I'm feeling fine. There is a little, I wouldn't say I'm feeling 100% normal, but I think that's just part of getting the vaccine, right? So yeah, that's it for now. Hello everybody, good morning. I thought I'll come back and check in and tell you how I'm feeling. Last evening after I spoke to you guys at 9 maybe, I was having a slight temperature of 99, actually 98.9 to be specific, but I did not take a Tylenol because I wasn't, I just thought why to take a Tylenol when I can take care of the situation. And I think we slept well. I did switch on the AC at 25, but both me and my husband were sweating like crazy all throughout the night. That was something which was, different. And we got up fine. Now there's just some soreness in the arm, as in I can't lift it too much. I could, but it's just painful, right? So yeah, that's about it. So I think I'm feeling fine today. I've made breakfast and I'm feeling absolutely fine. We just take some rest today. It's day 2 और रात के 9:30 हो रहे हैं and I'm still running a slight fever about 100.1, which is above what I had thought कि इसके ऊपर जाएगा तो मैं Tylenol ले लूँगी। तो मैंने अब finally Tylenol ले ली है। I'll let you know how I feel tomorrow morning. Everybody, so today is day 3. I thought I'll vlog at the end of the day to tell you that it's been a very stable day. I'm feeling fine. I haven't felt feverish, not even felt the need to check my temperature, and the pain in the arm is very, very negligible and the swelling has gone down a lot. So guys, I just suggest that make sure you get it done when you have 2 days at least to settle down, and if possible, and if you're staying alone, make your food. Or arrange for it. If you are okay eating outside, great, but I would suggest make it at home because we need to make sure we're having the right vitamins, nutrients. Start taking your vitamins. Make sure you take your vitamins with vitamin C 3 days before you start your vaccination so that your body is strong enough to take the vaccination. And I hope you guys find this useful, and if you have, then make sure to like and comment on this video and let me know how you liked it, and make sure to share it with your friends if you think they've not got the vaccine yet and they would really get some help from this video. Till next time, this is your Tech Bro signing off.